Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best enamel repair is probably one of the most sought-after products for maintaining healthy teeth, and with so many options available, choosing the right one can be overwhelming. This video will dive deep into the world of enamel repair toothpaste, exploring the key features, benefits, and considerations to help you make an informed decision and achieve that sparkling, healthy smile you've always wanted. Number 5. Sensodyne Pronamel Repair Toothpaste. Sensodyne Pronamel is here to help protect your teeth from sensitivity and strengthen your enamel. It's specially formulated to provide lasting relief and keep your smile healthy. It inhibits demineralization, repairs microdamage, and rebuilds enamel strength. This means it helps protect against cavities and acid erosion. This toothpaste is designed to reharden and strengthen your enamel, making your teeth more resistant to sensitivity and damage. Experience lasting relief from sensitivity with every use. It's gentle enough for daily use. It leaves your breath feeling extra fresh, and the fluoride helps protect against cavities. Enjoy a clean and confident smile. This convenient 3-pack provides a long-lasting supply of this enamel-strengthening toothpaste. It's perfect for the whole family. What we like? This product comes with 3 tubes, offering great value for money. Its extra fresh flavor leaves your mouth feeling clean and refreshed all day long. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution to strengthen your enamel, this is the one for you. What people say. After just a few weeks of consistent use, I've noticed that my teeth feel stronger and less sensitive, especially to hot and cold foods. The toothpaste contains fluoride, which helps with enamel repair, making teeth more resistant to acid erosion. Sensodyne Pronamel is specifically formulated to remineralize and harden enamel, protecting your teeth from future damage. Number 4. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair. It's the intensive enamel repair toothpaste designed to strengthen and protect sensitive teeth. Experience lasting relief from sensitivity and enjoy a fresh, clean feeling. This unique formula inhibits demineralization, repairs microscopic damage, and rebuilds enamel strength. It helps to make your enamel stronger and more resistant to damage. It provides lasting relief from the pain of sensitive teeth by protecting against pain triggers. Say goodbye to that uncomfortable sensitivity. It's a strong enamel toothpaste that actively prevents cavities and protects against the damage caused by acidic foods and drinks. It helps keep your teeth healthy and strong. With fluoride for cavity protection and an extra fresh taste, it leaves your mouth feeling clean and your breath feeling fresh all day long. It's the complete solution for healthy, strong teeth. It's the toothpaste that helps you achieve a healthier, more confident smile. Experience the Sensodyne Pronamel difference today. What we like? It's perfect for those who want to try it out before committing to a larger pack. The extra fresh flavor provides a pleasant brushing experience. If you need an effective enamel repair toothpaste and prefer a single tube, this is a great choice. What people say. After just a few weeks of consistent use, I've noticed that my teeth feel stronger and less sensitive, especially to hot and cold foods. The toothpaste contains fluoride, which helps with enamel repair, making teeth more resistant to acid erosion. Sensodyne Pronamel is specifically formulated to remineralize and harden enamel, protecting your teeth from future damage. Number 3. Colgate Whitening Toothpaste. Are you tired of that painful sensitivity? This toothpaste provides 24/7 protection with twice daily brushing. It's the maximum strength allowed by the FDA for sensitivity relief. It's not just for sensitive teeth, it's also a superior whitening toothpaste. It removes stains and leaves your smile brighter. This toothpaste helps repair enamel, protecting against cavities. It builds increasing protection against future sensitivity with continued use. The fresh mint gel leaves your breath feeling clean and refreshed all day long. Enjoy the invigorating feeling after every brushing. It contains glycerin to help hydrate your mouth, keeping it comfortable and healthy. It's gentle enough for daily use. Get the complete package: sensitivity protection, whitening power, and cavity protection, all in one toothpaste. Experience the Colgate difference. What we like? This pack of 3 provides long-lasting whitening and sensitivity protection. It's a convenient option for those who want to keep their teeth white and healthy. If you're looking for a whitening toothpaste that also protects sensitive teeth, this is a great option. What people say. The toothpaste is gentle on my sensitive teeth, more so than some others I have tried. I like the flavor, although I would have a hard time describing it. The most important thing is, it works and helps keep my teeth white while also reducing their sensitivity. I also appreciate the larger tubes which last longer. My teeth feel extremely clean, the anti-sensitivity ingredient works great, and it is an overall excellent everyday toothpaste. I also appreciate that it whitens teeth as well. It reduces sensitivity just as well as my longtime fave brand, Tom's, which I dropped because it lacks fluoride and there reportedly were hygiene violations at their factory. It also does more for sensitivity than Sensodyne, and tastes better too. My teeth feel super clean and I'm glad to have the fluoride to fight tooth decay. Number 2. Sensodyne Pronamel Intensive Enamel Repair. It's the toothpaste that helps repair and protect your enamel. Experience the difference with its advanced formula. This isn't just any toothpaste, it's designed to actively repair and strengthen your enamel, leaving your teeth healthier and more resilient. It helps restore your teeth's natural whiteness while protecting against cavities. Get that bright, confident smile back. Say goodbye to sensitivity. Brushing twice daily provides lasting relief from discomfort. With potassium nitrate and fluoride, it soothes sensitive teeth and provides comprehensive cavity protection. Enjoy a fresh, clean feeling. The refreshing Arctic breeze flavor leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated all day long. It's the perfect way to complete your oral care routine. This pack contains 4 3.4-ounce tubes, providing you with long-lasting protection and value. What we like? With 4 tubes, this option offers excellent value and a refreshing Arctic breeze flavor. It whitens teeth while providing enamel repair and sensitivity relief. If you prioritize value, whitening, and a cool sensation, this is the one for you. What people say. Effective enamel repair. I've noticed a real difference in my teeth's strength and smoothness. This toothpaste actively helps remineralize and protect my enamel. Great for sensitivity relief. If you suffer from sensitive teeth like I do, this toothpaste provides noticeable relief, especially when drinking hot or cold beverages. The intensive enamel repair claim, while not something I can visibly measure, seems to have made a difference. My teeth, which have always been a bit sensitive to cold drinks, are definitely less reactive after a few weeks of use. Number 1. Boka Fluoride-Free Toothpaste. This innovative toothpaste is designed for the whole family. It's gentle enough for sensitive teeth, yet powerful enough to remineralize and whiten. It harnesses the natural strength of nano-hydroxyapatite, NHA, to improve gum health and repair enamel. This is a next-generation formula for superior oral care. It effectively cleans your teeth while simultaneously remineralizing and whitening them. Enjoy a brighter, healthier smile with every use. It's free of fluoride, sulfates, parabens, artificial flavors, and colors. It's meticulously crafted to be 100% biocompatible and safe for daily use. It provides a soothing and refreshing experience, making it perfect for sensitive teeth. Experience a luxurious oral care routine that the whole family can enjoy. It features a refreshing watermelon mint flavor that leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. Enjoy a fresh and clean feeling all day long. What we like? This unique toothpaste is free of fluoride and other harsh chemicals, making it a great choice for those with sensitivities. It remineralizes teeth and leaves a refreshing watermelon mint taste. If you prefer natural ingredients and a refreshing flavor, you should definitely consider this. What people say. The key ingredient helps to strengthen enamel. My teeth feel stronger, cleaner, and dare I say, shinier. The ingredients are super gentle, and we feel so much better knowing our little one isn't being exposed to fluoride or any harsh chemicals. It has a great taste that our kid actually enjoys. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.